Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors. Colors names. Pink color, brown color, red color, dark green color, sky blue color, white color, light green color, sea green color, dark blue color, orange color. Today we will learn alphabets A, B, C, D. Alphabets in English. Let's start. Alphabet A. A for animals. A. B. B for Barbie. B. C. C for cauliflower. C. D. D for dolphin. D. E. E for elephant. E. F. F for finger. F. G. G for goat. Letter G. Sea green color. Which color is this, kids? Sea green color. Next letter H. H. H for hostel. H. I. I for iguana. I. J. J for jackfruit. J. K. K for king. K. L. L for lemon. L. M. M for monkey. M. N. N for nose. N for nose. Which color is this, kids? Violet color. Violet color. Next letter O. O for octopus. P. P for princess. P. Q. Q for question. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sky. T. T for turtle. U. U for university. This is dark green color. Which color? Dark green color. Next letter V. V. V for village. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. X. Y. Y for yellow. Y. Z. Z for zebra. Z. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's match the colors. First color, sea green. Sea green color. Violet color. Violet color. Next color, dark green color. Dark green. Next color, pink color. Pink. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.